Hello PU2 champions, welcome to day 12 of 21 days challenge to get 95% in your second PUC board exam. As part of today's challenge, I have given you two chapters for revision. The first one is electromagnetic waves from physics and the second one is linear programming from maths. So you need to revise these two chapters and practice its most important questions from the PDF I have provided. Okay, if you haven't downloaded yet, the link is there in the description section. Click on the link and then first download the PDF and practice its most important questions. Now in this video we will be discussing the most important questions from the chapter linear programming problems. Okay, so before that let's understand the blueprint. So you can see that the blueprint is very clear. You will get one question and that too 6-marker question. Okay, now this question, like in this section, there will be option between integration and your linear programming problem. You have to choose any one question. Okay, if you are weak in integration, then definitely you should consider LPP. But yes, here you have to little bit draw the graph and all. It is lengthy, but it is highly scoring. Okay, so now before moving ahead, I just want to tell you something about very important about that KCET 2026 examination is approaching and you need to like to get a top rank. Apart from studying, you also need to prepare from test series. You need to write test series. Without that you cannot crack the exam. So to help you with this, I have launched the Fighter KCET 2026 test series, which will help you to boost your preparation, as it is based on KCET exam pattern syllabus and is designed by KCET experts. Here we have here we have total 18 mock tests, 6 each from physics, chemistry and maths. You will also get detailed solutions, test analysis reports and chemistry video solutions as well. And all these things are available at a very minimal and affordable price of just rupees 399. Okay, now let's talk about the 6-marker questions that you will get here. So maximize z is equal to 3x plus 2y subject to x plus 2y is like between 10, like x plus 2y is less than or equal to 10 and 3x plus y is less than or equal to 15. X and y is greater than or equal to 0. Next, minimize z is equal to 200x plus 500y subject to constraints. X plus 2y is greater than or equal to 10. 3x plus 4y is less than or equal to 24. Next, minimize and maximize z is equal to 3x plus 9y subject to the constraints x plus 3y is less than or equal to 60, x plus y is greater than or equal to 10, and x is less than y and x is greater than 0, y is greater than 0. Next, maximize z is equal to 250x plus 75y subject to the constraints 5x plus y is greater than or equal to 100, x plus y is less than 60, x is greater than y and x is greater than 0 and y is greater than 0. Next, maximize and minimize z is equal to 5x plus 10y subject to x plus 2y is greater than or equal to 120 and x plus 2y is less than 120 and x plus y is greater than 60. Okay, and x minus 2y is greater than or equal to 0 and x and y is greater than or equal to 0. Next, we'll talk about some more similar questions. Maximize z equal to 3x plus y, and here some conditions are given. Maximize and minimize z is equal to x plus 2y. Again, here conditions are given. Minimize and maximize z equal to 3x plus 9y. Conditions are given here. Z is equal to minus 3x plus 4y. Here the conditions are given. Z is equal to 5x plus 3y. Again, here conditions are given. Z is equal to 4x plus y, and here the conditions are again given. Now we'll see the model question paper questions. First one is solve the following graphically. Maximize z equal to 250x plus 75y subject to constraints x plus y is less than or equal to 60, 25x plus 5y is less than or equal to 500, x is greater than 0 and y is greater than or equal to 0. Next, solve the following question graphically. Minimize z equal to 200x plus 500y subject to the constraints are mentioned here. Next, minimize and maximize z equal to 3x plus 9y subject to the constraints x plus 3y is less than or 60, x plus y is greater than or equal to 10, x is less than or equal to y, x is greater than or equal to 0, y is greater than or equal to 0. Okay, so children, these were the important questions, 6-marker. You can just know how to maximize and minimize within the constraints given. That is what you have to practice. And yes, as I have already told you, KCET Fighter 2026 test series is already out. You can purchase it by clicking on the link given in the description section. Okay, it is available at a very affordable price of 399. And yes, please hurry up because the prices may go higher later. That's all in this video. Thank you so much for watching. All the best and keep learning. Just put your 100%, I'll say 200% efforts every single day to achieve your dream rank and marks. Okay, thank you. All the best. Bye bye. Take care.